Healthcare job skill assessment tests are designed to assess your competency in job-specific skills and knowledge. The format and content of these tests vary depending on the employer and position. Follow these tips to prepare for a healthcare job skill assessment test. Understand the job requirements. Analyze the job description and identify the critical skills and competencies required for the role. This will help you focus your preparation on the areas that will be assessed. Review relevant knowledge. Refresh your knowledge in the specific areas that will be tested. This may include medical terminology, anatomy, pharmacology, laboratory procedures, patient assessment, or any other field-specific knowledge. Review textbooks, online resources, or study guides related to your healthcare profession. Practice hands-on skills. If the skill assessment test includes practical demonstrations or hands-on tasks, practice those skills in advance. For example, if you are being assessed on phlebotomy techniques, practice venipuncture on a training arm or seek opportunities to gain real-world experience. Seek study resources. Look for study resources or practice tests specific to the skills being assessed. These resources can help you familiarize yourself with the types of questions, tasks, or scenarios you may encounter during the test. Use online learning platforms. Utilize online learning platforms that offer healthcare-related courses or modules. These platforms often provide interactive quizzes, assessments, and simulations to help you practice and reinforce your knowledge and skills. Collaborate with peers if possible. Connect with others in your field who have previously taken a similar skill assessment test. Seek their advice, tips, and insights based on their experience. Collaborating with peers can provide valuable guidance and support. Stay calm and confident. On the day of the skill assessment test, try to stay calm and focused. Trust in your preparation and abilities. Read instructions carefully. Manage your time effectively and approach each question or task with confidence. Remember, thorough preparation and practice are crucial to performing well in skill assessment tests for healthcare jobs. By understanding the test format, reviewing relevant knowledge, practicing hands-on skills, and utilizing available resources, you can increase your chances of success and demonstrate your readiness for the job.